What is going on, Trump National members? I miss all you guys. I hope we can start playing and making golf balls disappear. It's one of the best tricks I do. But in this time, I thought maybe it would be cool. Hopefully you guys are keeping busy, but maybe a cool idea would be to actually teach you guys some magic. And so I thought, what would be the best way to do something that you can entertain your kids, or your kids can actually learn to help pass the time a little bit. So I thought of creating two really cool, easy to learn magic tricks that I think would be absolutely amazing and hopefully entertain you guys. Everything I'm gonna teach right now involves just a regular deck of playing cards, nothing fancy, no sleight of hand that is too difficult, but enough that, you know, can also create a lot of creativity as well for everybody. So with that, I'm gonna show you two tricks, and then I will teach you guys how to do them. Obviously, I don't have anybody here right now to do it on, so I'm gonna be performing to the camera. But yeah, so let's get started. And this is actually just a normal deck of cards. But what I'm gonna have you do, looking at, is just simply say the word stop whenever you'd like, and I'll actually turn my head. So you just say stop whenever you'd like. Stop right there? Great. I'm gonna show it to the camera. Excellent. Now you saw a card. I want you to think of that card. Imagine it. Imagine the colors, what it is. Is it black? Is it red? Is it a high card? Is it a low card? I want you to imagine that in your mind right now, whatever that is. Keep thinking it in your mind. It's funny because obviously we're a golf course. So I left a very bright pink ball here. I want you to imagine it right now. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Was your card the 3 of hearts? Let's hope so. If not, I'll rewind it and make sure I got it right. And so that is the first trick I'm gonna teach you guys. And it is so easy. All you need to do is have the 3 of hearts on the bottom of the deck. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna start there, and you're gonna show, and you can spread them out. All the cards are mixed up. No one ever really puts too much attention into it. They just wanna make sure. And what I like to call rock star grab, you're gonna put it right here, between these 2 fingers. And all you're gonna do is take the top packets off as many times in small. So you're gonna ask somebody to just say the word stop. When they say stop, you say stop, great. You're gonna turn over the card and you're gonna show it to them. Once they see it, goes back on, and the trick is done. Whether you wanna make it appear on a golf ball, whether you have it written down, whether you just simply tell them, okay, think of their card. Is the card you're thinking, the 3 of hearts? The possibilities are endless. As long as you know their card, you could put it anywhere, you know. And so yeah, that's the first trick. The second trick pretty much is the same principle, but you don't actually need to know what card they're gonna pick. All you're gonna do is remember the bottom card. So, same thing again. When you show the cards on the table, you're gonna remember the bottom card. So whatever card that is, in this case, it's the Queen of Spades. So you can, if you really want, you could just say all the cards are different or mixed up, or you can literally just look at the bottom card and have somebody take a card. They're gonna take the card out and memorize it. So in this case, it's gonna be the 3 of clubs. You're gonna ask them to put it on the top of the deck. And all you're gonna do is have them cut the card literally on top. So now you don't have to worry about what card they have. All you gotta remember is the Queen of Spades. Or was it the Queen of Clubs, I believe, right? So you're gonna look for it, just the Queen of Spades. And their card will be right after it. Now, of course, it's not just, hey, I found your card. It's whatever presentation or whatever else you're doing. But also what's amazing about it is that if you remember the card, in this case, we'll just use the 3 of clubs in that case. We'll take it and we'll have them pick a card. So in this case, it's the 9 of diamonds. They put it on top. 3 of spades goes on top. They can cut it as many times because the order is never changing. So all you're doing is looking for that 3 of clubs again. And you know right after it is the 9 of diamonds. Now, because this does happen very rarely, but on occasion, the card gets cut directly. And you see your card that you had to remember back on the bottom. All that means is the card they chose is now on top, which makes even more of an amazing feat, if you will. So, really easy to learn 2 card tricks that will keep the kids entertained, amaze the kids, and then you can teach it to them. So hopefully these things are some fun, something to just do, and I hope everybody is staying safe. Right now, I'm doing these Zoom happy hour magic shows, which have been something really interesting but amazing and entertaining people as much as I can. And also doing some really cool, more advanced magic lessons as well. But yeah, so I'm staying safe. I hope everybody else is. Can't wait to see you guys back on the course and entertaining you. Bye.